are with us today. My buddy, my brother. What do we got here?
We have a 2008 Mustang Bullitt. It's actually a GT Premium Mustang with the Bullitt package.
Isn't that the Steve McQueen version, the newer version of the Steve McQueen car?
It's based on.
Yeah, let's check it out. So are you the original owner?
Yes, I am.
How many miles do you have?
33,000.
What?
33,000
miles. All right, you know the magic question, right? Is it for sale?
It sure is.
All right, not going to mention the price.
Okay.
That's private, but we're going to post this on YouTube. You guys, you're going to enjoy this. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. So, are these like the original tire setup too for this car?
The original wheels.
The original
tires
wheels?
have been changed.
The
Yeah.
tires have changed out? Really nice. Really nice. We're going to get to the inside. We're going to get to the motor, and we're going to fire it up. The Bullitt. Wow, what a nice car. What a beautiful car. I like it. See if we can make this the thumbnail. All right, so this car is a 5-speed. Okay, can we hear it?
Sure.
All right. Classic dash. All right. We'll cut the camera for a minute. Right. Look at that. That's great. I love it. I love it. All right, you want to take a spin? Sure. Yeah? This car just wraps itself around you. I can feel it. I can feel it here in the passenger seat. Wow. Yeah, this car got balls. Now, this motor, right? What's the difference between this and just the stock Mustang? Like, what is is there more horsepower for this model?
Yes, it has 15 more horsepower or so. I think the regular GT Premium has 300 horsepower, and this is 315. But it has all Ford racing parts and components. There's a whole list of them on the internet.
I'm sure, yeah. A lot of racing parts, right?
So, shock tower brace, traction control. A lot.
Look at the price of gas, folks. $4 a gallon. Thank you, Brandon. There just went $3 right there.
No, not in this car. This car actually gets good gas mileage.
It does, that's good.
It's around 19 to 24, I think.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, they're building a new hotel right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like one of the big, they're adding on to this. One of the big places, the Marriott, Hilton, or one of them. All right. house.
It's your neighbor.
Yeah. Must have been hurt today making that right-hand turn from the left lane. All right, folks, there you have it. Like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you.